morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. We are getting ready for an excursion. We're just getting ready right now. Of course, we're going to be late because that's what we do. We're always late to everything. But it is a nice day here in Jamaica. Me and Sue argued last night, but it wouldn't, I guess, be us if we didn't. And look at the view, y'all. Look how nice it looks. We're about to get ready to go right now. Where's my sunglasses? Cause, honey, I look like a bald-headed skittle diddle. Ain't got no lashes in the middle. River rafting. This is gonna be fun. It's like just a little ride down the river. On these like these little bamboo things. I'm pretty sure y'all already seen it or heard of it. Cause I can't even charge my camera battery. So this is the last battery. So if y'all don't get any more vlogs, don't blame me. I don't have no adapter to put in these plugs. Look at the plugs, y'all. Everything, of course, is so different. So you need like the little 3 things, I guess. I'm gonna take these Pringles.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the blood that made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill. Can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick nil.
Okay. Good morning, my name is Richard. I'll be your tour guide for the rest of the 45 minutes to an hour. Welcome to the island, welcome to the Marthabury River. You go 3 miles. So if you have any query, any question, feel free to ask.
Okay.
So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Where you guys from?
California.
California in the building. I'm going.
Back.
To Cali.
Come on, man. Yeah. How long you guys here for?
A week.
Till Wednesday.
Till Wednesday. How long have you been here?
1 day.
1 day.
1 day?
Yeah.
Oh, you know the vibe.
You know the vibe?
Huh?
Do you know the vibe?
Yeah, I know the vibe. All facts, no cap, period.
What'd he say?
All facts, no cap, period. Do you know where I can get some Jamaican patties from?
Huh?
Jamaican patties.
Yeah, man. So we have like 2 patty companies here. Juicy beef or tasty. But for me, I love the juicy beef patty.
Okay.
So even like when you guys like going back, you could like
Ask
go
the
there.
driver, yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the kush? You have it?
The weed.
To smoke on the river right now?
Yeah, man.
You don't got no weed.
I don't
Come
know.
on, let's light it up. Right now.
Alright, when I get further down, I got to like navigate all of that.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. No. I'm gonna sleep on the street when I'm.
Some people just go lots and they just easily here.
Yeah.
Easily here for them. But
Yeah.
on a level, it's like it's a way of living. Even the plants, check this. The plants grow, and you like take a leaf or a limb from it, they actually want to die.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Your locks, it
Keep growing.
Keep growing.
Yeah, keep growing, and it's connected to the universe
Yeah.
in more ways than one. I can't really explain it because I'm trying.
Yeah.
Trying to embrace. That's why I'm growing my locks.
Yeah.
I'm trying to embrace Rastafari.
Yeah, locks for sure have a meaning.
Yeah, it definitely does.
Yeah.
So here in Jamaica we have.
You know, Jesus had locks.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah. And I'm a TikToker also,
Okay.
and I've been like seeing a lot of inserts showing that we like black people.
Or the
Yeah,
chosen
we
people.
gods. Huh?
You know, black people, the chosen people,
Yeah,
right?
we are gods.
Yeah.
White people were made from us.
Yeah.
No cap on that. I ain't gonna put my mouth
Yeah.
on the ground and
For
talk.
sure.
I'm talking straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gods.
God's people.
Yeah, we gods people. We gods. You queen. You queen.
Yeah.
Yeah, melanin.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got nothing on us.
Nothing.
Yeah, check this. Even though you know when the time is really hot, you can be in the sun for hours.
Yeah. And nothing happened.
A white person. can't
Crack.
do that.
Yeah.
They even come here. They want to be black,
Yeah.
So bad.
so they take like sun baths.
Yeah.
So they have a tan.
Yeah.
But they know the true meaning. They know the realness.
Yeah.
They just hide stuff from us. So we have like you heard about Marcus Garvey?
Mhm.
If you check out like documentaries and all of that stuff, he's always telling you guys to read
Yeah.
because they hide stuff
Stuff in the book. Yeah.
to the library.
Yeah.
Because they know we're not going to the
Read.
library
You always say that.
Yeah.
Huh, Sue?
Yeah, they say the best way to hide something from a nigga is to put it in the book.
in a book, and they make libraries.
Yeah.
So you have to like join. So you know subconscious state. You know say yo, even the internet,
Mhm.
they hide stuff there.
Yeah.
So even they take books.
They know the truth, but we don't know
we
the
don't
truth.
know.
Yeah.
So we have to go to the libraries and get a lot of calcium. If you should like drink or eat coconut like that, your nails will be like
Good.
for real. So for me, I try to have a coconut every other day.
Yeah?
No cap. All facts. Period.
But you know what I thought about it? I'm like, yo, I'd rather buy a souvenir in this experience than just go to a store. Because it's like,
That's crazy how they
you're
line
gonna
up
look at that souvenir and be like, yo, this is
Selling shit. Yeah.
like the other lady. The other lady, she
Yeah.
had her sons out there.
Look to your left. Hey, look to your left. 5-star hotel. Once you check in, you never
Where?
check out.
oh my god,
5-star. Oh.
Once you check in, you can't check out.
Now people are dying to go there. You know what I mean?
No.
I don't want to go there.
Alright, I got a few years still left.
A lot of years.
My reservation
is 50 years from now.
I'm just kidding, guys. Just
No, of course.
headstones. You say you come see two. Yeah, man, see. But come back down and I look for it and I say, yo, I'm on Zaya going with it then.
Don't record
You
my
guys
feet.
okay?
Feet look fine.
Yep, I ate it all.
You want to drop it in the water?
Let's kind of put it right here.
Oh.
I can put it on the side right here, right?
Yeah, man, you're good, man. Weed dispensary there, you could get like edibles.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So for this, I grew this at home.
Oh, you grow?
I
That's
have
good.
like 5 plants. So I'm gonna. I set you up. You smell. So this year, these are like the leaves that you see, the five-star leaves. So I grow this at home. You can smell it. Shit crazy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I didn't use like fertilizer or nothing.
Straight.
It was like just dirt.
Straight, yeah.
Yeah, so the dirt here is so potent. You could just like plant a seed.
That's good.
And once you water it,
Yeah.
it take care of you.
Yeah.
So what we do, we get all of these. All of that. We call them the drop leaves. So we try to get all of that. So we have like, you know, farmers like do it their own time. But we have like dispensaries here that have like.
Oh, you guys have like cannabis clubs? Okay.
I know about like 3 of them. I know one in Kingston. I know one here in Falmouth.
Have you had California weed?
No.
The best fucking weed out.
Yeah,
You should have brought. We're gonna bring you some next time, Richard.
Yeah, I heard. You know, cause I have a friend from Cali. He gave me the shirt. I think I'm choking.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay.
He gave me that shirt. So when he came here, I showed him a good time. You know, and he really appreciated it. You know, I took him everywhere. Yeah. So once you step from a ship or a plane,
Yeah.
your safety and hospitality is our Jamaicans' main priority.
Yeah.
So I was born in Jamaica. If I should go to the garrison, any one of them garrisons, for me, step in the name of love. In the name of love.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. Hello. I'm gonna sleep on the street when I fuck up. I should've known how to pick. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, and she tipsy. I had enough alcohol for 24. I put you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like go-go. And you are I need to get you alone.
We're getting some jerk chicken, you guys. Sue's been wanting this ever since we got out here. So finally we found a look authentic, huh, Sue?
Find some Jamaican money first.
How much it costs?
Thank you.
Homemade sauce. You can pour it. So every jerk pan you see, you pass on the road, they have a different jerk sauce.
Oh, okay.
So what's
That's
this
what
one?
makes it authentic.
Thank you.
Come on, outside here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, y'all, so hold on, let me zoom it out. It's all up close and personal. We just got back from our little tour thing.
This shit tastes like that.
You do? Let me see.
It's big as shit.
So we just got back from our what's it called, bamboo rafting. It was so fun. It was like a whole ass vibe. Y'all seen Richard. Y'all seen the clips. He gave us some weed. We smoked with him. We got some drinks. We had some drinks. We smoked with him. Got him drunk a little bit. The next person that he's driving around gonna be a little wobbly. Because he was like, we had like 2 drinks. How many drinks we had, Sue? 2, huh? 4? No, we only bought 2. Oh, the first one, when I first got there. And then 2 on the river, right? And I feel like a little tipsy already, y'all. I'm waiting for Sue to open these goddamn,
Cause it's the only opening for this shit.
No, it's on there.
No, I think these move. These usually is open. She closed it. Like it's a double. These usually is open like this, and then this
the
covers
housekeeper did
like
it?
this. Yeah.
The river rafting was fun. We had some weed, we smoked, we drank a little bit, we ate some jerk chicken. The jerk chicken was really, really good. Yeah, y'all. Now I guess we're gonna just like chill in the room a little bit and then go down to the pool. They got a swim up bar here. So we're gonna just chill and then go have some drinks and relax, I guess. So I guess I will see y'all in the next clip. Okay, y'all, so we are at the next door resort. It's called Secrets. We have like the XL, like basically like VIP, so we get to go to like all the hotels around the area. So we're walking, we're gonna do some parasailing. Sue is so scared. Right, Sue?
Yeah, I'm really scared. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I gotta see.
You know, Sue always got something going on. But yeah, y'all, we're waiting for the, if I can see it, let me see. I can try to zoom in so y'all can see how it looks. You can't really see it, you know. We'll get closer and show y'all. But we're gonna do parasailing. Sue is like gonna piss on herself. But it's like it's gonna be so much fun. I never did it, but I know it's gonna be fun because I love to be up in the air. So we're gonna take like a little dip in the water and then just chill out on a little beach, take some pictures. And that's pretty much it, y'all. We're having a good time. Oh, a little banana boat probably, huh?
No, but it's a seat instead of a boat.
You wanna do it?
Hell no. We can fall off.
It's gonna be like a what if, Sue.
Never do no banana boat shit ever again.
That one was cool. We did it in Mexico.
Hell no.
You like it?
Too fucking dangerous. Like, look at if I fall off, I fall off. Then somebody gotta flag you down and like tell you I fell.
Yeah, they beach is way more lit, huh?
Yeah.
Not lit, but people.
It's like it's a real beach. We don't have a beach.
It's hard. On our side, we don't have like a beach area. Like you see how like y'all, they got like the beach and like sand and stuff. Ours is just like pool. That's it. We have like no beach area, so you have access to the other hotel. It was this Secret St. James and Secret Orchard. We're gonna do some little sports stuff, and I guess we'll see y'all in a minute when we see what's next.
Right here.
Just spotty only? Yeah, spotty only, right? Serve me one.
B. 2B.
Alright, anybody in line waiting on nachos? We don't have no nachos right now, alright? No nachos right now, okay?
You want a burger?
Want a burger? Cheeseburger. Burger is cooking, alright?
I want a hot dog.
You got hot dogs?
Yeah, hot dog with a burger.
That one was chicken, huh? This is a beef patty.
Jamaica.
Yeah, we are on the beach.
Yeah, scary.
Yeah, y'all better hold on.
It's good?
You taking that out there?
Uh-huh.
Girl, you gonna lose that.
Well, no, I'll have him do it.
Yeah, you get
Oh,
it.
you
Yeah,
gonna?
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
man, I'm jealous.
We didn't think about that.
No?
No.
You look good.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, just hold on. Take your shades off, okay?
Okay. Can you hold this? Can you record me while we're out there?
Yeah, man, sure. Take your shades off.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, where they get here? Let's see how we. One penny yet left us. One penny.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As they said, the story goes. Maybe now I got the flow. 'Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried.
suffocate my spine. Letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did, they know was wrong. And all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me. And she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me. What you did.
Y'all,
That shit was no fucking
my hair is still attached. That shit was cool. Y'all seen the clips of how everything went? That was cool though.
That
Sue
shit
was
ain't no joke. I was scared.
She is so extra, y'all. She was like laying back and I was trying to put on my glasses. She's like, hold on with both hands. I'm like, it's okay, Sue. But that was hella fun though.
Yeah, well, it was fun. I would do it again tomorrow, but it's scary.
She didn't even want to do it at first, but now she liked it.
It's like, come on. But it's cool though.
Yeah, it was cool for sure. I want to do like the little, this, what's it called? Rafting or like a little banana boat thing.
Yeah, kayaking.
Kayaking. But
it's boring. You just paddling.
Sue think that she gonna fall off.
Yeah, and like she's just paddling. Like I don't want to paddle.
But yeah, so we're waiting for the next group. The next group just went, so we want to see their reaction because they kept asking everybody like, how was it? How was it? So I want to see how they felt about it, and then we're gonna go to their hotel so I can blow dry my goddamn hair, and then we're gonna go to dinner. Okay, y'all, so we're back in the room now. We're trying to like rush to go to dinner. So I wanted to make sure I pick up my camera and talk to y'all for a little bit. I'm getting dressed. Sue's getting dressed. Sue's looking like a daddy, like, wait, but not really. Sue, is this a couple's trip? How you know I'm gonna say something? This is like a no fucking co-parenting trip. At all. Just enjoying time. I look really good in brown. Thank you, sir. But I look really good in brown though, for real. It complements my skin. But anyway. So yeah, we're trying to get ready. I have on this brown dress. Sue is looking like she wants me to ride her fucking safari. No. You got a chain? That's fine. Let me see, Sue. Sue wants to pull out the Da Vinci's with this little cheetah print.
A little light step.
A what?
A little light step.
That's it. But yeah, I'm about to finish getting ready. I'm wearing these little shoes right here, so I thought that it would be appropriate to wear it tonight with this little bag right here. So cute, right? So I'll be back to check out the full outfit. We are on our way to dinner now. But she's looking good. Hey, Sue.
Hey.
So I guess I'll show y'all my food when I get there. We are at, what's it called? Blue Mountain Restaurant. Waiting for our food. We just had an appetizer. It's called the Aki Puff.
I don't know what.
I think it's a Kai probably.
No, it's spelled A-C-K. I mean, yeah, A-C-K-E-E. Okay,
yeah, so she had the Aki Puff. You liked it?
It was cool. No, actually, it was in it. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. It was alright. I think there's a cheese in it though. But it was okay. Sue had to plug though, because it was like a long ass line, y'all. And we got up there, they was like, oh, excuse me, we're seeing other people, stand to the side. I said, we have a reservation. She's like, oh, what's your room number? And then let us right in. Everybody was like, bitch. My camera is dying though, y'all. So I'm gonna try to get back on here. I'll probably vlog on my phone, show y'all the food and stuff, but You see it's blinking. I gotta go. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day in Jamaica. We just got ready. We are about to go ride the horses in the water and I believe zip lining also. I'm tired, so tired. But you know, we gotta keep it lit.
Fuck sucking and swallowing anything for $1 and trying to get it
So we made it to the excursion place, y'all. It is popping. There's a lot of people out here. They got parrots and animals. But it's pretty nice up here, y'all.
Cha-cha with it. Oh, you ain't got no music for me to dance to. Oh, you just mad, but I am glad that. Oh, oh, oh,